What's up guys, what's going on? It's MJ here, and today we are finally recording the 200 subs cooking special with Mason. We've been waiting on this video for a while to record because it took a little bit for him to get here, but he's here now, so we're gonna record this video. Thank you guys for the 200 subs. I know it's been a while since I actually hit it. I think I have like 230 something right now. What the hell? So thank you guys so much for all your support as usual. And it's also been a year on the channel, so this is part of this video as well. So thank you guys, and let's get it.
You know, you can't make taco without meat.
You know we gotta get the taco kit packet. It'll make it 10 times better.
I don't even eat this, but you know what I'm saying? He does.
Can't have our tacos without the cheese blend.
New mission, expedition. Got a paddock, tragic, but it didn't matter. Automatic, cinematic, tragic, paddock. Mission. These are the ingredients we have. We have salt, seasoned salt, you know, seasoning, meat, cheese, lettuce, sour nut, cream.
Weird, buddy. You're weird.
These are our tortillas. You know, we got the El Paso, Ahumado, Petito Potato with our goto butter, black pepper. And yeah, we finna cook this. Make some Tico tacos. So you know, you already got the special knife reveal. You know, look at this cool, majestic glazery. You know, very sharp, very, you know. And right now we're finna cut some lettuce. So I seen the strategy for this on some cooking show. And the thing is, lettuce, like, you always try hard to take the thing out, but watch. Just like that. And then the thing comes right off. See that? Pretty much. Not at all. And then look, all our lettuce is off the johns and the things. Now look, got our lettuce.
Now it is time to start on the ground beef, which needs to heat and cook first, and then we mix in like the water and the seasoning and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna go ahead and get this meat cooking. Alright guys, so now that the meat is basically cooked without all the seasoning and the extra steps, we're going to strain it so we can put it back in here and get the water and the seasoning.
On some real chef Tommy.
Alright guys, so now we're going to add the water in. And we're going to go grab those seasonings. Alright, the first seasoning we got is the seasoning from the taco packet. Next, we got some salt. Next, we got the actual salt, not the pepper. We got our garlic powder, and we got our seasoning salt. Now we're going to stir it all together. So now that the beef is done, we're gonna let that cool for a second. And while that's cooling, we're gonna go ahead and cook up our tortilla chips. one side cooked, we're gonna spread the cheese on the other side. Let that melt, and we're gonna take this out. Start with the next one.
Won't shine if you're not mine forever. My darling baby, sparkling eyes bring joy to my mystic heaven. Forever, remember.
Alright guys, well, as you can see, like I said, this food is too good. Look at it.
It was great, bro.
He's in a daze.
It was great.
He's in a daze.
What? Tell the chef I said thank you. You know what I'm saying?
Yo!
It's June.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
What did he say?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Is this nigga serious?
I'm telling you, let bro cook, because he will do you right. Don't ever doubt my boy. MJ's own category. He saved me. I used to be homeless in the streets eating sticks. Now look at me. I'm eating tacos with my dog.
Yo,
Tell him to bring the holos.
y'all want to see more of this delicious cooking right here?
Subscribe to MJ's
Subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Hey, but y'all already know, if y'all like the video, like it. Because you can't like the video and not
like the video. That's what I'm saying. You can't like the video and not like the video.
Hey, Mason's channel is in the description. Go check that out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for all your subscriptions and all that stuff. And I'll be streaming more this summer, so make sure to check that out. And I'll see you guys next time.